Hi, and welcome to another Fit for Purpose product presentation. In this segment, we'll be talking about Tanova Designer Series 2 kitchen bins. Tanova products, whether they're pull-out bins, pull-out laundry hampers, or pull-out drawers, are all designed for Kiwis by Kiwis. Kitchen bins are one of the most used items in the kitchen, so we work very closely with designers and kitchen makers to make sure Tanova is truly fit for purpose in New Zealand homes. In fact, Tanova Designer Series 2 kitchen bins were developed in response to industry requests for a top-notch push-to-open function on bins. Designer Series 2 bins are built on premium quality Simlead drawer runners from Simlead. The push-to-open on these is absolutely fantastic with an ever-active function. That means if the unit is open, but you need it to open a little more, you can give it a nudge and it opens up further. Excellent when your hands are full or dusty or sticky. With the Designer Series 2 bins, you can select a soft close or a soft close with push to open. Tanova Designer Series 2 bins have an outstanding load capacity of 70 kgs. There's models for cabinet widths from 300 wide right up to 700 mil wide. There's options with 1 or 2 buckets so you can easily sort your waste from your recycling as well. There's several different bucket volumes too. And of course, you can select from the umber grey and charcoal bucket colourway or the classic weight frame and bucket option. And a point for you kitchen makers and cabinet makers out there. Tanova Designer Series 2 units come complete with a Simlead D-height drawer, drawback base panel sides and buckets, so they fit seamlessly with this premium slimline drawer range.